FireGo, your reliable partner for modern and innovative hot fire training systems. For many years we have been developing and producing high-quality gas-powered and computer-controlled fire training systems to help fire brigades, companies and organizations to respond quickly and effectively in an emergency. Our proven team consists of experts who are able to recreate complex fire scenarios in order to produce realistic operational scenarios. In order to provide the firefighters with a good training opportunity, we plan and design the respective facility together with the customer. The FireGo team then builds the facility and brings it to life. Our fire training systems are manufactured in Germany and used internationally in various fire training centres. We can recreate anything that can burn in real life and equip it with our fire simulation technology so that every fire brigade can train on the objects that best match their requirements. All our products are of the highest quality and meet the latest international standards. Our goal is to provide our customers with the best possible equipment for their hot fire training. We work hard to improve the safety and protection of people, buildings and assets. We contribute to this with our fire training systems. If you are looking for high-quality fire training equipment or good service of such equipment, then FireGo is the right place for you. We pride ourselves on providing the best products and service to our customers. Contact us to learn more about our products and services. Your FireGo team.